Philip from TW White & Sons. We've just taken in a 2017 on a 17 plate Mazda CX-3 2 litre 120 PS SE-L Nav, finished in dynamic blue. This is a one owner car. It's done just over 41,000 miles and it's in beautiful condition. These are wonderful little cars to drive. Front wheel drive SUV, smaller type of SUV, beautifully reliable with a great level of specification. This is the SE-L Nav model. Comes with a load area cover, split rear seat facility. Underneath here you will see last owners kept all the tools etc. With this vehicle. All nice to see those present and correct. Great spec vehicle these. Alloy wheels, central locking, remote, parking sensors. This particular car's finished with metallic dynamic blue. Got this very hard wearing cloth interior, extends over to the door cards, electric door mirrors which are power folding, electric windows with one touch auto facility on the driver's side. Sitting inside the car you've got headlamp leveling, Mazda's iStop stop-start technology, traction control system, tyre pressure monitoring system and lane departure warning. Really useful manual headlamp leveling there, and underneath slightly lower bonnet release and fuel flap release. Multifunction steering wheel in front of you. On the left hand side you've got your integrated Bluetooth with voice control, an info button which controls your trip meter and fuel computer. On the right hand side here you've got cruise control, and just beyond this you've got your wipers on the right hand side with variable speed on the intermittent. They are auto wipers, and auto lights here as well. Particularly like the way Mazda fitted these eyeball vents in this vehicle, highlighted in red. That extends to all of them. Really nice attention to detail that. Engine stop start button, depress the clutch, start the car. 41,367 miles. It's all electronic speedometer, electronic speed instrumentation here. Rev counter, tachometer on the left hand side. Just beneath that little sign you see in the blue there, that's your temperature saying that the engine is cold. And on the right hand side, on the far right hand side, you've got your fuel, 49 miles till we run out, external temperature being 20 degrees. If I just press that info button on the left hand side here, the steering wheel, you can see that it alters your display. It will give you, once it's all set up, average fuel consumption readings as well. So speedometer in the center, as I said, multi-function steering wheel. In the center here you got heated seats, 3-stage heated seats, driver and passenger. You've also got automatic climate control, so you would set everything to automatic. Let's just turn on the lights here, and it will adjust the fan speeds according to the internal temperature of the vehicle, and it will direct the air according to that. If you want to override that, you just take it off automatic and adjust things manually, for example on your directional controls here. Heated rear window, reset button for the heater, air conditioning and temperature controls there. Some people just dial in their temperature, hit auto, everything is done for them, and some people love it like that. Others prefer to adjust things manually, and you know, you can tailor make this car to your own individual taste at the end of the day, and I'll show you more about that in the navigation system and entertainment center in a minute. CD, twin USB sockets and 12-volt power socket. And here, moving back, you've got your main navigation wheel, which adjusts this Mazda's multimedia setup. So when you're at a standstill, you can tend to adjust everything by touch screen, very simply, like so. When you're on the move, however, for safety purposes, you adjust everything through this navigation wheel. So that and that work perfectly. So you would have your main nav hit wheel here, can go through the various menus, navigation, home screen, music, favourites button and back button, and master control for the volume. You can of course adjust the volume on the stereo through this or through your steering wheel here. So there's two places to adjust that. But coming back to this, and I'll just go back to the home screen here, you can see the various menus here. So you've got music, here, so you'd have your DAB, FM, AM, your various stations, etc. Telephone, mobile phone, navigation, very clear this. That's in your nighttime setting, that's in your daytime setting. Hide the buttons, reveal them, set up your destination, find your address, town or postcode, set up your home address, set up favourites, look at the history, etc. Navigation info, view mode, 3D, 2D, it's really great. Settings, you can set up this vehicle to your own individual taste. The display we're looking at is currently in auto mode. You can set it between auto, day or night modes. You can adjust the brightness, the contrast, the safety there. It's got smart city brake support and lane departure warning system. Really useful feature, lane departure warning system, in that if you're on a motorway, somebody goes to overtake, not somebody goes to overtake you, but you veer out of lane, it will warn you that you're veering out of lane. You can set up the timing of those warnings, the type of warnings, whether you get a beep or rumble, and the volume associated with those types of warning. And it's just a question of scrolling through here and navigating what you want, you see. Back here, sound, bass, treble, fader, balance, automatic level control, and beep to execute any commands. Automatic bass, treble, fader, volume, etc. Balance, if you like, is all very straightforward. ALC, you can adjust the level of the stereo to compensate for any road or engine noise.
BBC Radio Surrey.
As you can see, somebody's fitted the enabled the traffic announcement on the stereo. Clock 12 or 24 hours. Set up time zones. You can adjust your vehicle door locks. You can adjust your indicators in terms of indicator volume. They thought of everything, our friends at Mazda. Lighting here, interior lights, you can adjust those. Your lights on warning volume, auto headlights on, the sensitivity of those. So really great spec with this vehicle. Devices, network or Bluetooth management system here, temperature, distance, etc. Applications, fuel economy monitor, warning guidance, maintenance. So it's just been serviced, its oil is at 100%. No warnings. Fuel economy monitor, Vehicle is iStop. It's got Mazda's iStop control here, stop-start technology. If the car's enabled on iStop, you come up to a junction or traffic lights are at red. If it's iStop ready, the car engine will stop. When you engage gear again to set off, the engine will start again. Has obvious fuel economy advantages and tremendous emission control advantages. Average since reset on this car is 39.3. You will get in excess of 40 mpg. The fuel economy monitor is very subjective. It's down to the way in which you drive the vehicle, but certainly these are very fuel efficient vehicles and a delight to drive this car. Tremendous road holding, handling, braking capabilities with exceptional motorway cruising and urban driving characteristics. Wonderful cars these are, beautifully made as well. Back to the home screen, you can see there, I'm sure I've taken this, DAB, all very straightforward. Down here we've been over this, heated seats, etc. This car's in beautiful condition, 41,000 miles, full Mazda service history, really been well looked after. Will come with a 12-month Mazda approved warranty. Very stylish little cars these as well. Beautiful to look at. You also notice there an absence of interior trim scratches, etc. Great condition. Car will come with 12 months Mazda approved warranty. We will take any vehicle in part exchange. We do highly competitive funding facilities as well. So if you like, we're a one-stop shop for all your motoring needs. We've got full sales and after sales facilities. Our sales showrooms are open 7 days a week. If you want to find out more about this vehicle, please go onto our website, which is www.twhiteandsons.co.uk. Thank you very much for watching.